Hi, good day. Ade Lamidi here. Welcome to today's video. I haven't done a video in quite a while. That's because I just wanted to restructure the sort of content that I'm going to be sharing on this channel. And going forward, I am going to be doing a series where I show you how to build an authority niche site. And what I've done is I've chosen a niche called video marketing. And video marketing is a sub-niche of internet marketing. And I have some experience, but my goals with this videos going forward is to become an authority in video marketing, build a community of and the internet marketers that are interested in video marketing, build a resource for video marketers, also build an email list based on the content that I share, and also to recommend good video-based products, and ultimately make money from the site. So with that said, before I continue, if you're into affiliate marketing, entrepreneurship, do go ahead and click the subscribe button because I'm going to be doing a series of videos that I believe you can learn from. I'm adapting the concept of learn, implement and teach. So I'm going to be learning a lot of stuff over the next few days, few weeks, and I'm going to document what I do learn, and hopefully you'll be able to get some good takeaways from the content that I share. And before I go into all that, I'm going to leave some resources in the description. I'm going to be starting a brand new channel based on video marketing, and yeah, it's going to be an interesting journey. Here are some assumptions. Even though I've got some experience in video marketing, I'm relatively new to all of this, so I'm going to make mistakes along the way. I will learn from my mistakes, but the beauty about this is I'm on a journey, so you'll be able to see me progress throughout the journey. I will leverage experts to get stuff done. I'm not an expert, and my ultimate goal is to just provide a platform where people that are interested in video marketing can basically learn. I can't guarantee I'm going to get any results, but I'm willing to put in the work over the next few weeks. And I will have a niche site for video marketers at the end of all this. So here's some of the stuff that I'm going to cover going forward, and I will document all of this as videos. So this is the introduction video, just to let you know my goals and aspirations for this project. I'm going to be choosing a domain relevant to video marketing. I'm going to be buying some hosting. This site is going to be based on the WordPress installation, so I'll share that in video 2. In video 3, I would go over the WordPress basic setup and a theme install. Video 4, I'll be installing plugins. If you're not familiar with all this, I would explain as we go ahead. Video 5, I'll be going through some plugin settings. Video 6, I'll be adding pages to the WordPress site, and video 7, I'll be going over how you can get some good content for your site. And don't get me wrong, this is just based on a niche that I've chosen. You can follow the same concept and adapt it to whatever niche you prefer. So this is just a framework for what I'm trying to do. Video 8, I'll be talking about banners, adding banners and widgets to the WordPress site. Video 9, I'll be adding Mail Munch, because the ultimate aim of this video site is to collect email addresses and then educate the people that I collect their email addresses on video marketing and other projects related to video that I'll be doing. Video 10, I'll be adding Pretty Links plugin. Pretty Links basically lets you add a lot of your links um, for maybe you've got affiliate products or whatsoever. Video 11, I'll be adding hidden pages for my giveaway. So I'll be doing a lot of giveaways on this project. So I will have to add some pages that I don't want people that come to the site to see. Video 12, I'll be going over how to add side banners that get a lot of clicks. And video 13, I'll be going over the Facebook feed settings. Because one of the traffic sources that we're going to be using to drive traffic to this to my blog is Facebook. So we're going to need to do some settings so that Facebook feeds come onto the blog. So once we've done all that, we go into video 14, where I'll be creating a Facebook page, a Facebook cover. I'll be setting up the Facebook page settings as well. Video 15, I'll be looking for some good content for the Facebook page, and I'll show you how to do that. And video 16, I'll be showing you how to change the Facebook page username so that it's in line with the Facebook theme. The video theme that I'm going to be using. We're going to also try and add some viral aspect. We're going to be tapping into the viral aspect of Facebook to bring some more traffic to our blog, and I'll show you how to do all that in video 17. And don't get me wrong, some of these things I'm going to have to learn. I did a course a while back that gave me an idea about how to go through all this, so I'm just going to be implementing what I learned in that course and sharing the results with you guys. That's why, as I said earlier, I'm going to be doing a lot of learning, implementing what I learn, and then I teach what I learn. In video 18, I'll be showing you how to get fast engagement to your Facebook posts and pages. Video 19 will be buying some traffic from Facebook and just driving that to our Facebook page and then hopefully to the blog. Video 20 will be showing you how to use stories to basically get some of your posts going. So once we've done all that with Facebook, we'll now go on to YouTube, and we're going to be setting up a brand new channel for this project. And video 21 will be showing you how to set up your channel the right way, the basic settings you need. Video 22 will be talking about channel settings, how to how to design an attractive channel art for your channel. Video 23, we're going to be looking for topics, trending topics and keywords for our future videos. Video 24, I'll be going through how to record videos and the tools that I use. I use a couple of tools, basic tools, so I'll be showing you how to do that. Video 25, we're going to be going through how to optimize our raw video files for our YouTube videos before we go anywhere near YouTube. and video 26 will be showing you how to optimize your video inside YouTube, providing a call to action and doing a lot of social sharing. Then after that, we'll go on to Quora. Quora is a very it's a question and answer platform, and you can drive a lot of traffic to your the other properties through Quora. I've actually started this, and I'll be showing you some of the results when we get here. So I'll be going through what is Quora, how to use Quora to maximize your blog exposure, basic practices on Quora, and how to use spaces on Quora to build your authority. After that, we would go into Twitter, and Twitter is the for now the last other social sharing property that we're going to be using. I'll be sharing with you how to set up Twitter, how to market on Twitter. We're going to be using some plugins so that anytime we do a blog post, it's automatically shared on Twitter. Again, it's just to get some traffic back to the blog. And video 33 will be how to tweet for profits. Other stuff that we're going to cover in video 24, we're going to be going through a recap and the plan. Video 35, we are going to be talking about using chat messenger bots on Facebook to engage our audience. Video 36, we're going to be going through how to install a chat messenger bot. Video 37, we'll be going through creating your first messenger bot post on your page. Video 38, creating your first messenger bot campaign. Video 39, boosting your messenger bot page post for quick engagement. And finally, video 40, where we're going to discuss how to scale for cheaper engagement. And I'm just going to show you a diagram of what I've put together just to show you a visual representation of what I'm trying to do. So if I go back to my downloads, let's see, just bear with me a moment. Okay, here we are. So what I did is I've got a PowerPoint just showing you what. So this is the authority blog that we're going to be creating, and based on all the videos that I've shown you before, we're going to be driving traffic to this blog via Facebook, via YouTube, via Quora, and via Twitter. We might add Instagram and Pinterest later on, but for now, these are the 4 platforms that I'm going to be using to drive traffic to this blog. And then from the blog, we'll create an email list, and hopefully we'll be able to have an engaged list that we can educate more on video marketing, and basically recommend products that we review to them, so that they can use video more in their marketing. So that's the overall plan of what I'm planning to do, and yeah, it's going to be interesting. Again, like I said earlier, I'm on a learning journey as well, so I would document everything that I do as we go along, and yeah, I'll be sharing that information on videos going forward. So thanks for listening to this video. That's it for today. One more thing, what I plan to do is publish a video every day based on what I've discussed here. Every day about 3 p.m. UK time, I will put out a video basically covering things like I said earlier, choosing your domain, hosting WordPress installation, and all that kind of stuff. So thanks for watching. please remember to put down any comments that you might have based on this video, and please remember to click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to this channel, so that you can be notified anytime that I release any of these videos. I'm hoping to do it daily. That's the plan anyway. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.